What's an easy way to add a personal touch to your presents this year? Making your own holiday gift tags. Welcome to Watercolor Whimsy. Okay, let's get started. Today I'm going to make 8 gift tags. They are all going to be of the same design to show you how quick and easy you can do these yourself. I am going to be using watercolor paper. The brand is Canson. The weight is 140 pounds or 300 grams. All I'm doing here is cutting the gift tags out. They can be whatever size you're looking for. Mine are about 1.5 inches by 2 inches. To make them look a little bit more like a gift tag, I am going to cut the 2 corners off of one side. As you can see here, I just made the classic gift tag shape. Simple, simple. Now let's do them all real quick. Okay, now that we've got them, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, we can get started. Let's get our watercolor paint ready. The colors we are going to use are vermilion red, and we are also going to use sap green. For the tags today, I am going to use a permanent marker. I am going to use both the marker, but starting with just the cap. I'm going to put the paint on the edge of this so that I can make circles for each bulb. Okay, let's get started. So all I've done here is I've mixed up the red paint, I've got some on my brush, and I'm putting it on the edges of the cap to the permanent marker. I am then going to take this cap and I'm going to use it to make 2 of the 3 bulbs on the gift tag. Just firmly press it down and there you go. I am then going to repeat this step with all 8 of my gift tags. Here we go. Okay, now that we've got our outline on all of our gift tags, we are going to go ahead and fill in the bulbs. For this step, depending on how much paint I actually have on the paper, you could use a little bit of paint on your brush to help get the bulb filled in, or you could just use a clean brush with clean water and drag the paint from the outline of the circle into the center. Don't forget to leave a little shine at the top. Okay, now that we've done that with all 8 tags, we can start in with the green bulb. I'm just mixing the color here. I add a little bit of water to my palette and then take some of the pigment and mix my color. For this, I like it to be very nice and watery. Okay, let's repeat the process that we did with the red ones, but now in green. Okay, so I let everything dry, and now I'm going to come in with a permanent marker. I'm using a very fine tip here. I'm just going to come in and put the toppers on the top of the bulbs, like, if it would work, like this, on all three, and then I'm going to circle it 3 times. And then the line at the top. Super cute. And now you are left with 8 super cute gift cards. I like that they are not perfect. I feel like that is on trend, but they are simple and super cute. Now all you have to do is add your 2 and your from. Then you would put in like a hole here with scissors or a hole punch if you have it, and tie it to your present. There you go. Super quick, super easy way to personalize your presents. If you give it a try, let me know in the comments, and please don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you.